The Venmo error 503, commonly known as the service unavailable error, occurs when Venmo's servers are temporarily unable to process your request. This is not an issue with your account or device, but rather a problem on Venmo's side caused by server overload, scheduled maintenance, or other technical difficulties. It is an HTTP status code that indicates a temporary interruption in service. Venmo's architecture relies on multiple servers handling various tasks like payments, authentication, and notifications. High traffic from events like holidays, viral trends such as payment memes, or even cyber attacks like DDoS can overload these servers, causing the 503 error. Server maintenance or unexpected software bugs can also trigger this error. Before assuming the worst, check Venmo's official status page or their social media accounts for announcements about ongoing outages or maintenance. This will give you an idea of whether the problem is widespread. Look for official updates that indicate if this is a widespread issue affecting many users. Remember, a 503 error means the server is temporarily unavailable, as shown in this simple code example. In January 2026, PayPal experienced a targeted DDoS attack that caused Venmo 503 errors for European users. This incident lasted 45 minutes and highlighted the need for robust security measures. A DDoS attack floods servers with traffic, making them unable to respond to legitimate requests. This results in the 503 service unavailable error, as shown in this simple code check. To mitigate the attack, Venmo activated cloud firewalls that filtered out malicious traffic. This allowed normal service to resume quickly. Following the incident, Venmo collaborated with cybersecurity firms to conduct post-incident audits, strengthening their defenses against future attacks. As quantum computing advances, it poses a serious threat to traditional encryption methods used by payment apps like Venmo. These powerful computers could potentially break current security, leading to cyber attacks that cause widespread outages and data breaches. To counter this emerging threat, Venmo is actively developing quantum-resistant encryption techniques. This proactive approach strengthens the platform's defenses, ensuring user transactions and personal information remain protected, even as technology evolves. By implementing these advanced security measures, Venmo maintains reliability and builds trust in an increasingly digital world.